What is the first compound? First compound is benzene. Benzene is treated with methyl chloride and anhydrous aluminum chloride. What is that reaction? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So you will get methyl benzene. This methyl benzene is treated with concentrated nitric acid and H2SO4 nitrating mixer. So what will I get? Para-nitromethylbenzene. Because they asked about the major product, para-nitromethylbenzene is major product. Now, this compound is now treated with CrO3 and As2O3. Means what happens here? Oxidation takes place and CH3 group will get oxidized to aldehyde group. So what will I get here? CHO with nitro group in the para position. Now this compound is treated with CH3CHO and sodium hydroxide. Means it is Clason's reaction or crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Now let us see that reaction. Now the compound obtained here is C is CH double bond O with NO2 group here, and it is treated with CH3CHO. Means crossed Cannizzaro reaction. What will I get? What is the product obtained here? Fix the aldehyde which is devoid of alpha hydrogen atom and use the alpha hydrogen atom of the other aldehyde molecule. So OH here, CH2, C double bond O, H. This is the product obtained there. Let us see whether heating is there on the arrow. Yeah, heating is also there. So this compound on heating loses a molecule of water. So what is the final product obtained? CH double bond CH CHO. I'll get this compound as the final product.